Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find keywords with vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first off, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Research. And then in here, just click on Keywords right here at the very top tab. And you'll have a ton of keywords right here, which is for you or for this specific channel's niche. Now you can click on top search terms, and this is from your own specific channel. I've posted a video about Z2U right here, Birthday Bot, and Ubisoft. Now at the very top, you have the search bar. You can go ahead and type a broad phrase related to your video idea. For example, iPhone, or how to bake a bread, for example. So just hit on enter, and you'll have a ton of topics right here talking about iPhone. So you can just click on the checkbox, find whatever you want right here. For example, hidden features, tips and tricks. You can copy it or save the related keywords. And channels posting the same exact keyword. So these channels right here are posting iPhone videos as well. So let's go ahead and go back. Right here we have the overall score. Also the search volume. So a high score right here, which got a green background, means high search volume and low competition. A low score, or red ones, means the topic is ignored or completely oversaturated. Now the search volume right here, this shows the estimated number of monthly searches on YouTube. So aim for terms with at least a few thousand monthly searches. So competition right here, this measures how many other channels have made videos on this exact term. You would go ahead and look for low or very low ratings. So when we go back to matching terms right here, you'll be able to see longer phrases that contains your original keyword. So what you got to do is basically use these questions or keywords as your exact video title. For example, iPhone. How to fix iPhone not working or not updating, just like that. Or you can just go ahead over to competitors right here in the left panel and check the best performing videos right here that they have made and make a video about this one or this one as well. Okay, or you could go ahead and go back to research, go to videos right here, and as you can see, we've got a ton of video ideas that you can go ahead and make. For example, this one, which got an outliner score of 49x, and the views per hour is 7.4. The topic is Forza Horizon 6, invalid gaming services problem. Alright, so that's just how easy it is to find keywords with vidIQ. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you at the next one.